Guys, look at that. They are so busy they even got a Petro shuttle. That's how big this truck stop is. Okay guys, as you can see, I parked here for my 30-minute break, and basically this is one humongous truck stop, and I'm going to show you guys around. So as we can see here, there's a nice Peterbilt backing in, the Western Star. This is very big truck stop that they even have a shuttle because parking. There's a lot of parking there. Basically, let's just wait until this. So this is a one humongous, huge parking lot. And it still goes down farther up there. But, basically, yeah. Huge parking lot everywhere. And guys, this is only half of their parking. So you can see they also got a blue beacon. I don't know what that building is. Probably bathrooms already. Yeah, that's probably bathrooms up there because that's how big the parking is. The parking goes way over there. Way, there is like double parking. And you got your, what do you call? Your Petro service shop over there, your TA truck service right over there. So you can see it is big, massive, and it takes a while to walk, but it's good exercise for me. They even have certified DOT physicals and healthcare and a chiropractor as well. That's what that is. Now there's parking here as well, so this is big. It's also on this side that you can park. There's even on the other side. You can park on the other side. I'll show you guys. So that's the car entrance. You can't go through there like he's going to take the truck entrance. But all of this is just parking, all kinds of reserve, all kinds of like for handicap. Oh, and I'm gonna walk around the other way to show you how massive this Petro truck stop is. Sadly though, it does look like the Iron Skillet is closed at this location. Which is very sad. Some places are open, some places are closed. But yeah, see more parking. You also got scales over there. That's your fuel aisle right here. As you guys can see, there's even more parking over there. So this thing is massive, and it does get filled up quite easily. More parking, more parking. You can see.
attention please. If you are parked on a fuel island and have completed fueling and paid, or did not purchase fuel, could you please move your trucks? We have drivers waiting to fuel. If you are parked on a fuel island and have completed fueling and paid, or did not purchase fuel, please move your trucks.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. This was one massive truck stop. I mean, I have not been to the Iowa I-80 yet. Hopefully someday I will. But this is one massive for Virginia and Raphine, I think it's called, Virginia. Stop on by here. It's already pretty late in the day. Still plenty of parking, just gotta find it. I mean, there's still reserved, still some empty spots where I parked in the back. Your walk may be longer, but if you're trying to stay in shape, you gotta walk longer. I also still got 4 hours to go after my 30-minute break, and I got an apple and some coffee to go before I call it a night to eat. All right, thanks for watching, guys.